So good. Hello friends, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, we are just going to pretty much, it's like another day in the life. Sorry if this video is kind of all over the place, because actually what I've been doing lately is just pretty much recording on what I do at the moment, and I just start recording. That way I can be consistent with my videos. That being said, I hope you guys enjoy this video and subscribe if you haven't already. So with already having my bedroom pretty much tidied up, I also need to include some laundry. I wanted to do an exercise as well, but let's go ahead and put a load in, and then we can go into exercising and so forth and so forth. So as for laundry, this is all I pretty much have is just in that basket here. It's kind of like our undies and stuff like that. And then I have a few towels because I've been washing over the weekend and I'm pretty much done. So this is pretty much it that we have. And then of course, I don't know about you guys, but I normally have clothes in here as well that needs to be taken out and folded. So I'm just going to freshen up in that a little bit. And then these are socks and stuff like that that I've been working on over the weekend as well. So I'm just going to freshen up so it can take away wrinkles, because I have wrinkle control here and it's on 90 minutes. And that's it. And then for the washer, we just go ahead and put a laundry in there. I just wanted to show you the bike that I've been using, and my mom let me borrow it over the weekend, which I've been doing it every day for about 15-30 minutes. And I just have it here in my living room facing, as you guys can see, this way towards the TV, because I really don't have any space for it. And I just thought it was pretty neat here, because even if we're just watching TV or listening to music, we can just be sitting there exercising, since we already sit here and normally do nothing. So why not sit here and get a few workouts in? And then here I just go to YouTube, and I just normally put like what you would normally like listen to. I pretty much range from either like music or motivational videos, which I really enjoy. It has 10 minutes and 44 seconds, 14 minutes. That's what I just go based on how many minutes I want to use. So okay, so I wanted to show you what I'm wearing, and it's just some black jeans and these tennis shoes. Just wanted to show you a really quick outfit of the day, or whatever you want to call it, because a lot of people don't start exercising, I feel like, including myself. I would start telling myself, well, I don't have the workout clothing to even get started. But honestly, I feel like you don't need that, right? The point and the most important thing is that we get the workout in. So that's why I'm just showing you what I have on. Is just some black jeans, a t-shirt, and some tennis shoes. So for me, that's more than enough. It's just to get started. I want to share with you guys, but not in this video. I just feel like we'll just be talking too much and we won't get anything done. I wanted to show you because more of this whole story is we don't need any workout clothing to start exercising. Let's just go ahead and get on there. I'm so excited.
If you work hard on your job, you can make a living, which is fantastic. If you work hard on yourself, you can make a fortune, which is super fantastic.
Whew, that felt good. All right, so that workout is done and I feel so good right now, honestly. Like, I feel even more motivated to continue to do things around the house. I am out of breath because you guys know I am out of shape, but it's this is where we start, is now. There's no excuses. Just do your 15-minute workout a day, and then the next week you can do another 15 minutes or 20 minutes, and then you go from 25 minutes, you know, just slowly work your way up. And that's what I've been doing lately. The first weekend I just been doing 10-15 minutes, and then this week I'm just gonna do a whole full 15 minutes, and then next week we'll do 20 minutes and so forth. But right now I have to say it feels really amazing. Like, my heart is pumping. It's what I'm looking for, is just to make my heart stronger. I want to live healthier. I want to live longer, you know, to be here with my family, my kids, and I just want to see the future. But I feel really good. And right now I'm just taking a little 5-minute break. We're gonna go to Burlington right now. We're gonna do some more walking and see what we can find. We're actually looking for some dresses, so we'll see. The first dress I'm going to show you is Adriana's dress that she picked out, and it is a white t-shirt underneath. I like that these on the arms has like a little ruffle design on them, and then this fabric is just like really beautiful. It's just this brown soft fabric, and I think that's why she said she fell in love with it. It's just how soft it is. When Adriana wears clothing, she likes things that are comfortable and not so itchy on her skin. So this is a junior dress, and it's pretty long, which I like. She also liked what she said she wants to pair it with some cute boots, even add some cute pantyhose, and it's just very cute. And this went for $13, $12.99. So next here is Adriana's skirt as well. This is a junior skirt that she picked out, and it has like some, what color is this? Like a green and maroon. Very cute. And this was actually on the clearance rack for $6.49. And the design is just very pretty, and she wants to pair it with some cute t-shirt, which, as you guys seen on the previous dress, that it came with a white t-shirt, and she wanted to pair it with this as well, and some cute pantyhose, and again with her boots, because she loves boots. Okay, this one I picked out for myself, and it's just this white shirt. Didn't come with these overalls, which these are like in an olive brown type color, and that's the bottom of the pants, which thought it was really cute and rugged. And they were also on the clearance rack for $9.99, which I thought it was a steal for some overalls. And the shirt I got separately. I found it also in the clearance rack for $3.49. So I thought that was a steal. I normally shop in the clearance aisle, so all right, so here you go. So just a plain old white t-shirt and some very cute overalls. All right, so next here is a dress that Adriana picked out for me. It's just very floral. It's black. She liked it for me because I'm just so into plants, as you guys know. And it's just very cute with all these colors in them. I like how long it is, and then right coming down to the knee area, it has like a slit, which I thought it was cute. You can pair it with some cute, I will pair it with some cute sandals, boots, tennis shoes. But I thought it was a very cute dress, and this was $15.99. I just thought this was a really cute dress, and it feels very like loose, which I love. So last but definitely not least, this is one of my favorites that I picked out for myself. This ran for $12.99, and it is just an olive junior dress, which actually I got it an extra large because I like a very loose fitting. And then these cute buttons just goes all the way down. a beautiful belt to tie it at the waist, and it just goes past the knee, which I love, because and then you can just also wear it for the fall, make it look really cute with some boots, some sandals in the summer for next year. So yeah, so very, very cute dress. Here is another thing, another to-do list. Actually, Adriana has been asking me to, what were these? And I had to tell her a long story short that I used to drink back in the day, which I don't do now. So she had just suggested that to get rid of that and just fill it up with more teas and maybe wine cups, things like that, because I still do drink wine here and there. But so that's what I'm gonna do also here, is just pretty much clean in here and pretty much declutter, and I'm gonna put that in our donations. All right, so here's the after, which I think it looks way much better and makes more sense instead of having things that we don't need or use anymore. I love this. These are the glasses that we use that we buy them like with apple juice in them, and we just repurpose them for like when I need to go on a run for my teens. I just fill it up with juice, water, Kool-Aid, whatever, and it already has a lid to it, and it's just more convenient to take on the go. And then we have our handle glasses up here, and then our longer glasses up there as well. And then in the middle we have our plastics, which we use on a daily, well, not that. I do use these Starbucks cups every day for water, my teas and things like that. And then my teens cups back here as well. They're Halloween cups, and then that pink cup as well. Adriana likes to use it to put her water in. And then these are repurposed glass jars. Here, let me show you a closer up look. I just take off the sticker from here, but we use them as glass because it's just very round, and I don't know, we like them, so we keep them and we use them for our drinks. As this one too, we repurposed it. It was jam in here, and again, I just took off the sticker and we use that too. And then we have more glasses here, which I know there's some more around the house. And then all of our coffee tea mugs down here. On the back, I just keep like the seasonal ones in the back, and then ones we use more often in the front. All right, so that's it. And thanks to my daughter, we just cleaned and decluttered our cup cabinet. And then as for these, I'm just going to wash them, dry them, and then that way I can put them into our donation box. All right, guys, so it looks like we finally made it towards the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed that mini Burlington haul, as well as our exercise this morning. I hope it was very motivational and just pretty much being the day in the life of being a stay-at-home mom. And subscribe so that way we can be in this journey together and start living healthy and exercise and eating well and getting things done inside the home as well as in the vegetable garden and working on indoor house plants as well. So yeah, so with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed again, and I will see you on the next video. And for the next video, we are going to do a vegetable garden tour. So I hope you subscribe so you can see what's going on in there. So much going on, and I'm so excited to show you. But okay, that's enough. See you guys later. Bye.